Okay, this is my Arduino code to make my controller work. We define the pins that's used on the Arduino. Um, we specify the number of readers. Then we just like we just I don't know what I did here. Um, these are strings to print out the tags as strings. This is just um identifying the objects for the RFID cards to read. Um, pretty much installation stuff. And here's the main loop. Pretty much this is an if loop with a go-to statement. I used for simplicity. So I said if um, the RFID tag is on, then go to the RFID one, which prints out the tag and reads it, and then gives it to Unity, and then these two also do the same. I use go-to statements because for them to show at the same time on screen in the IDE, a demonstration inside the IDE looks like this. Pretty much, if I pause or to scroll for a second, you can see these three. These are I was only able to achieve this by doing a go-to statement on them. So if I put all three of my ID cards on the RFID readers in the correct order of 1, 2, 3, you'll see they spit out the RFID IDs. Now on to the demonstration. Video for my controller. Here's my controller. Here's the cards. The aim is to find the combination of the cards and input it into other games. So here's the theory of my controller working. So put 1, 2. There you go. 2, 2. 1, 1. 3, 3. If that's not the right code, I could press the reset button. Oh, I need to take off the things first. And now press the reset button. And put it back on. So 3, 3. 1, 1. 2, 2. And this is how the controller works.
Hello, Games Academy. We are anonymous. Earlier today, we infiltrated this room and planted a bomb in this computer. To avoid getting blown up by our bomb, you have to find the key cards we have hidden somewhere in this room. To achieve this task, it is recommended to get into groups of 2. 1 to find the keys and 1 to decrypt the key cards on the other computer. But there is a catch: there is only one combination that the key cards go in. Find the correct order and defuse the bomb. Good luck.
Okay, we already got the pin from the other game. So let's just input the pin. This keypad system was made by me by watching a tutorial. There's 2 outcomes: fail or pass. When we type in the correct code, we'll be greeted with the congratulations.
Congratulations! 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 Congratulations!
Feature editor output here. Sorry to interrupt your regularly scheduled memes, but the thing I was trying to say in this part was how I'm going to show you the whole Unity and the thing that makes everything work in the next part. So see you in the next part. Okay, this is an engine. Now I'm going to show you what does it do when it fails after 20 minutes is over. Okay, and go. Okay, now to show you the background of how I made this. Pretty much standard pause menu. This is the keypad system I made. As you can see, there's the buttons and they're all interactive. They're all working from 1 to 6. and 789 0 0 is also working. Yep. Um, the display houses all the buttons on it and all the numbers and stuff. This script controls pretty much this. Oh shit! Pretty much this script controls the whole calculator type keypad system. As you can see, cases for 0 to 1, and then separate cases for the clear and reset buttons. I use Scene Manager to load the scenes, so um, when we enter the code sequence right, it's loads up the congratulations scene. If it's like wrong, it'll try again. If the time runs out and it fails, it loads a different scene, but that's in a different script. That's in the countdown timer script. Pretty much a standard countdown timer where I divide it by 60 just so it looks normal. And then in this line, when time is equal to 0, it just loads the fail scene. If we hop into my other Unity project, the second part of this game, you'll see what controls the Arduino and all that stuff relating to the Arduino. Pretty much, this game is pretty simple. Has a canvas, has a reset button. Oh, let me just reset the canvas here. Oh, yep, pretty much screen, and then these are numbers. I've only coded 1 to 4 because originally this was gonna be 4 cards. Now, because something broke, it's only 3 cards now, so the 4th card doesn't get used. Oh, no. In the scripts, this one script controls everything from reading the Arduino to loading in the numbers. So pretty much we make a serialized field for the numbers in the slots, and then I tried to make it to destroy the numbers after like it's been taken off, but that didn't work. So I decided just to make a button that loads the scene. I tried loading the scene every time a number was taken off, but that didn't also work, so I scrapped that. Pretty much this is reading the value from the RFID readers from my thing, what's it called? Controller, and then it has like 3 X values, so this is splitting the X value and it's splitting it out onto Unity's debug log. And we take the values from the debug log and assign them objects. So this RFID card is the tag for number 1, so I assign it to number 1, and then so number 2, and then number 3. These are the remnants of the another deletion thing I tried to use, didn't work. Okay, that's Comp 140 in a nutshell. Done. I'm Alpha Milkle, signing off.